Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can take this ball roll trick on the FIFA 23. Okay, so that's one of the easiest tricks that you can make in the FIFA. You have to use the right stick. Take a look, I'm standing, I'm gonna pull it to the left and he's going to automatically roll the ball to the right side. That's the same. If you try to make it by going on the keeper, you can also make it, but the key is to get good timing, so you have to make it on the good time and you can move through the keeper like this. So one more time, to move the ball roll, you have to use the right stick. You can hold it or just press on it once and release. That's all. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.